Prismaflex is one of the only suppliers worldwide that offers both digital printing as well as billboard manufacturing. Currently we have 10 subsidiaries worldwide. I have a staff complement of around 350 employees. The UK subsidiary was started off in 2002 as a large format printer. The subsidiary has grown over the years, and that we now offer technologies in the form of UV printing, LED printing, as well as eco-solvent. We've got the abilities to offer bespoke building wrap finishing, as well as paper posting, self-adhesive printing, fabrication of bespoke MX frames, fabrics, as well as block mounting and laminating. Prismaflex UK has been building up a reputation from a print point of view over a number of years. We've been looking at probing the UK market and getting involved with the UK market as far as the LEDs go. Also, with the support from our CEO, Pierre Bassols, we have been able to build up a relationship with one specific client, which has then given us an opportunity to use one of their sites to showcase our LED. It's a very special project for us. The reason for this is that we are able to take it right from laying a foundation all the way through to the final installation. We're also able to remove current or existing signage and install our new ones. The Portsmouth site is a very interesting site. It's a very beautiful site. It's located in a very busy intersection. There are a number of robots around which are holding traffic, which is bringing a lot of eyes to the board at all times during the day. It doesn't have highs and lows. The current board is a static board which has been changed over into a LED board. The LED board itself is a 6x3 standard size for the UK market. It's accepted. So I think both from the client's point of view and from a Prismaflex point of view, it is the perfect site. It's, like I said before, it's beautiful, location's good, good eyes on the board. It's going to be a very successful site for both.
Prismaflex has been delivering solutions for 30 years. We are real partners. Prismaflex supply LED panels. We supply the entire value chain. We produce modules LED in China, in the United States too. We assemble them in Europe or United States, or locally in any continent if there is a minimum volume. We supply turnkey solution in the sense that we can supply the installation, the monitoring, the service maintenance, and even the content management. We have our own proprietary system to supply all those solutions. And we are now developing the LED solution for the UK. If you have an LED project, you can contact us through our website, www.prismaflex.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you.